How to clear app cache in SafePal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on SafePal and wondering how you can clear out the app cache since your app feels slow or glitchy, here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open the SafePal application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your wallet. Once you're in, go to the upper left corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up settings. Under Settings, look for Clear Cache under Custom Network. Now in the pop-up, click on Confirm. You'll then be able to delete the cache data from the app. See? Super simple, isn't it? Now your SafePal application should feel a bit cleaner and smoother. If you ever notice lag, loading issues, or weird glitches, this is a quick fix you can always try. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.